Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, before we begin, by the way, please do like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel. As we can see, my long position here, still at around break even. I've got a little bit of a long position that got triggered in this area here. I think it was actually a bit lower than this. It was somewhere down here, basically when we came down again into this area that I always talk about, at the bottom of the range. I think it got triggered about 4 or 5 days ago, so somewhere here. So currently sitting at around break even or a little bit of profit right now. Really looking like, Vechain not doing too much at the minute. Bitcoin also low volume and volatility. And as a result, we have seen, most altcoins right now are kind of flatlining, not doing that much, just chopping to the side, waiting to see what happens next in the markets. But I do think Bitcoin looking very, very strong at the minute. Probably going to take another leg to the upside pretty soon, in my opinion, that is. And if that is the case, we'll see Vechain have a little bit of a rally, I think, but obviously, even if Bitcoin does start to crab sideways, we could see a little bit of movement in the altcoin market, as we often do. But in my opinion, right now we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen. As I said before, really we are just looking at Vechain right now and thinking, is this long position going to come back inside the range again? Back up to this level that we've basically come up and hit a few times. All these long positions that I have been putting in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this is the 5th one. These first 4 out of 5 positions, this one obviously getting stopped out here, have worked out really nice back to the middle of the range. And I will be trading this range until it breaks, as I said numerous times. A very, very nice little trade opportunity that has been going on for a while here. And it's probably going to keep working out, isn't it, until we do see a clear break and retest of this structure in either direction. So right now, Vechain just waiting and seeing what's going to happen again. As I said before, really not that much going on in the markets. We are just essentially waiting for something to happen. You can see obviously the volume has been decreasing for Vechain over the past few weeks. We had that pretty nice rally to the upside at the start of the year with a high amount of volume and interest. And now we are trickling back down again here in terms of interest and volume. A quick look at Bitcoin will also confirm that over the, we haven't had that much volume really, have we? Obviously, if you look back to the bull market back here, huge amounts of volume and interest in these areas, but really still, we have been going to the upside with quite a low volume, which is a little bit of a concern, but I do think Bitcoin will continue to trickle to the upside for now, or at the very least do something like this, maybe a little bit of a backtest continuation. But Bitcoin looking very strong, and I think for Vechain is probably going to follow suit once we do start to see a bit more movement for Bitcoin. So really not that much to say right now. I'm sitting in this long position waiting to see what happens next, and just waiting to see basically where we're going to go to. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. You're all absolute legends. Please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And if you do want to become a YouTube member, that would also be very, very helpful indeed. And I'll see you in the next video.